Have you been putting off job costing? If you have, it's my job today to try to talk you into taking the first step and not putting it off any longer. All right, in the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos and I'm coaching restoration businesses because I'm passionate about helping them get more profitable, reducing the chaos, and building something of significant value so that they're really excited when it's time to sell and move on. Okay, so if you've been putting off job costing, there's likely one reason, and it's because it's been difficult for you to track labor to jobs. And I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to make that easier and how to put it into place. Number 1, set clear expectations. I'm going to come back to this just a little bit throughout the video, but it's really important to know that you need your field personnel, you need your administrative support, and you need your production managers, project managers to all play a part in this. Everybody's got to understand that the expectation is we are now tracking labor to jobs, period. The end, it's no longer optional if you've tried to do it before. Number 2, use time tracking software. I think the easiest one to use is probably QuickBooks Time, especially if you're using QuickBooks Online. However, you might have tools with your production management software that you're using, and if you can get those mapping correctly to QuickBooks, use that, whatever's easiest for you. The other thing is, technology is meant to make our lives easier, but sometimes it gets in the way. So if technology is getting in your way of doing this, go back to an old-fashioned paper timesheet. If you need a template, email me at scott@thegrowthleague.com and I'll shoot one over to you. All right, number 3. Now you're able to provide incentives. Once you get this in place and you're tracking time to jobs, you're going to be able to set a target and you're going to be able to reward your personnel for making it happen. You're going to be able to get them in alignment with you. Everybody wants happy customers, and also as a business owner, you've got to be able to do it profitably. And now you've got a method in place that you'll be able to share and reward your team for achieving that. Number 4, you've got to monitor compliance. And what does that mean? You've got to make sure people are doing it, right? You've got to make sure that every day, all of your field personnel are clocking in and out throughout the day to multiple jobs if they're on multiple jobs. And you're going to need a manager to check that every morning so that they can confirm that everybody was clocked in and clocked out of jobs as they should be throughout the day before. Number 5, finally, you're able to use the data. You're able to run job P&Ls and see exactly what's going on from a profitability standpoint versus what the target is. If you're not tracking labor right now, you probably don't even have a target. So if you want to talk about that, click the link below this video, book a call with me, and we'll talk. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.